Hey everyone, I am out here with Iron Advantage out of East Earl, Pennsylvania, and we're doing a demo at a farm over here near Carlisle with a Deutz Fahr 8280. We're going to hook it up to a John Deere air drill, and hopefully it'll dry off. We can go out and plant some soybeans. First up, the dealer took the John Deere Green Star screen, put it in the Deutz Tractor, and is working to get these two to talk to each other for GPS. And I will say this is not going to be a real long video. This is one of those days I didn't get all the footage I want, but I did get just enough to make a video here. So again, we are out here with a new Deutz Fahr 8280 TTV tractor hooked up to a John Deere model N530C no-till air drill. This drill you see right here has a working width of 30 feet. This drill is set up on 7.5-inch row spacing, but it does look like you can lock up half the units and go with a 15-inch row spacing if you desire. A couple quick specs on the Deutz Fahr 8280 tractor you see here. This tractor is powered with a Deutz 6-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine and rated at 287 engine horsepower. The 8280 has a compound TTV transmission and has a top speed of just over 31 miles an hour. This tractor has 5 electronic remotes on the back end of the tractor with a total hydraulic output of 55 gallons per minute. There is also a hydraulic remote on the front that you can use in conjunction if you have an implement with the front 3-point hitch and you need a hydraulic valve up there. You also have a 6th up there and can even add a 7th. And it looks like he's about ready to head out to the field here, so let's head out. And it did rain the night before we got here, so we didn't even know if we was going to be able to get out to the field. As you can see, we did get out there for a little bit. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to get the drone up while we was out there. He's now taking the tractor and drill back to the farm. So, like I said, not going to be a real long video here. This is what we got, but it was enough to make a video. And that's all we can do, but watch him head back to the barn. Anyways, feel free to go down there and click on that like button, leave a comment if you're new to my channel. Of course, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button, and I still have a ton of content coming. I filmed a lot of stuff this past year that I need to get edited and up here on my channel over the winter. You can also follow me along on Instagram and Facebook at Farmhand Mike if you want to see what I'm up to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.